game, at what temperatures do egg whites denature? Have you ever wondered why, when you cook an egg white, the egg whites turn white? Just in case any of you are vegan or just don't eat eggs, here's what I mean. I chose to investigate this topic as it relates to a larger percentage of students and teachers. Areas that interest me: sports, cooking, reading, movies, social media, and friends and family. Equipment. You will need 2 small bowls, a small saucepan, a thermometer, a measuring cup, a stopwatch, sticky notes, and 20 eggs, and a kitchen scale. Risk assessment. Fire. When it's all going well, then you leave the egg unattended. The chance of a fire, the possibility could be increased. Control measures. Step 1. Have a fire blanket nearby. Step 2. Tie up long hair. Burns and control measures. Step 1. Wear protective gear. Step 2. Avoid all contact with the stovetop. Step 3. Use appropriate equipment to handle hot materials. Method. Ensure the bowls are completely clean and free of dust and residue. Label one bowl, bowl 1, and the second bowl, bowl 2, with a sticky note. Weigh each egg and record in the table of values. If the weight is not between 59 and 61 grams, discard and start again. Crack 1 egg and separate the yolk and the white. Put the whites into bowl 1 and the yolk into bowl 2. Measure 150 ml of tap water in the measuring cup. Place the water into the saucepan. Turn on the stove to the highest setting and wait for the water to reach the desired temperature. Record the time it took for the egg to react after initial interaction with the water. This was the case for the 90 degrees water. Clean the fry pan, thermometer, and bowls. Test 9 other temperatures and repeat each once. Variables and controls. The constant variables were the type and brand of saucepan, the type and brand of egg, the amount of egg, the type and brand of stovetop, the level of heat from the stovetop, and the amount of water. The independent variable was the temperature of the water. The independent variable was the temperature that egg whites denature. Materials purchased. The only materials needed were 20 cage-free eggs and the rest were household items. Results. These are my graph results for my test 1. The Y values are the time taken to denature after initial contact with heat, recorded in seconds. The X values are the temperature of the water, recorded in degrees Celsius. As you can see, from the temperature 0 to 40, there are no results due to no denaturing occurring. At 40, the time taken was 90 seconds, and as the temperature progressively increased, the time taken to denature progressively decreased. This graph shows the 2 tests and the average graphs all together. The test 1 is represented by a darker red, test 2 by an average red, test 3 by a lighter red. The x and y values are the same as the previous graph. By graphing all three results, we are able to see the high accuracy, reliability, and validity shown. Due to the close monitoring of variables and controls, the experiment was structurally followed through according to the method. Therefore, this experiment was successful by proving the hypothesis. In conclusion, by investigating such a relatable topic, we can develop a more complex understanding of the process of denaturing proteins, evident in many everyday practices. Through extensive research, the underlying concepts can be understood and further knowledge can be gained. Thank you all for your attention, and I hope you've learned a little on concepts evident in everyday life.